This is a new module. This is a new dimension. This is a new possibility. Introducing the new add-on of Snapmaker 2.0, the rotary module. The body of the rotary module is constructed with CNC machined aluminum alloy, consistent not only in texture and style with Snapmaker 2.0, but also in solidity, durability, and remarkable dust resistance. A changeable chuck that supports inward and outward clamping, and a dedicated tailstock that ensures stability, bringing to life a versatile add-on to meet a broad range of needs. At the core of the rotary module is strain wave gearing. By virtue of its special gear set, the speed reducer, while occupying only a limited space of 30 cubic centimeters, boasts a constant high reduction ratio of 100:1, as well as an incredible angle precision of 0.1 degrees. This enables a smooth, exquisite, and seamless machining on irregular surfaces. By offering an intelligent, visualized G-code generating workflow, the new version of Snapmaker Lubon makes it easier than ever before to set up 4-axis machining. On the touchscreen, an Origin Assistant is also added specially for the rotary module, letting you position the CNC bit or to focus the laser safely and quickly. From imagination to reality, everything can be so novel, yet so simple. With the 4th dimension added, Snapmaker 2.0 is capable to run a more advanced CNC and laser process, taking a big leap from 2.5D to real 3D machining. Additionally, with its high precision and stability, the rotary module makes it possible to 3D print more accurately on a curved face. Combining 3 of the machine functions, you will see unlimited ideas for creation. Snapmaker 2.0 is more like a platform or an ecosystem. Each and every add-on is born for an uncompromising user experience. The emergency stop button lets you stop the machine in any situation with one push. The enclosure features sound reduction, laser filtration, and fume extraction, while the rotary module empowers every maker to break through the limits of 3-axis linear movement and to discover a broader world of creation. Are you ready for a new adventure?
Regardless of the possibility of realization, talk about your recent daydream.
A whole wall of figurines and trendy play.
I don't like being the same as others.
Give Cookie build a beautiful home.
We are here for these fantastic ideas. Halot Sky, our new LCD 3D printer, equipped with self-developed slicing software system, optimize the usage of 3D modeling and slicing to ensure easy utilizing and promptly converting your dream into reality. Halot Sky has renovated the LCD printing technology for 3D industry. It adopts self-developed integral light source and auto-adjustment technology in software to realize precise light structure and the application layout of light principle. These will contribute to depicting the detail more exquisitely and printing the edges more smoothly, which would eventually result in high precision printing quality and the overall success rate of printing. Even if you are a new player, you can find your favorite reference template through the Creality Cloud app and start your exploration journey of various types of amazing personalized designs. The self-developed new system is perfectly embedded inside the 5-inch high-definition vertical screen on the printer body. To ease the anxiety of waiting and upgrading user experience, Creality Cloud also supports real-time monitoring of printer status and managing the printing process. A self-developed, customized, high-performance motherboard with super data processing and excellent graphics processing capabilities is applied to Halot Sky. The reinforced Z-axis structure, composed of dual configuration of linear guide rail and ball screws, allows the printing accuracy up to 0.01 millimeters, which greatly guarantees the stability of printing and ultimately present your creativity in most delicate and outstanding way. Creality Halot Sky with industrial-grade high-precision LCD printing technology serves perfectly for various applications of multiple industries, multiple scenarios, and different groups of end users. In the future, Halot Sky will continue to use extraordinary, high-quality LCD printer to realize all your dreams into reality.
Consumer-class 3D printers have become a vital tool in people's lives. The Creality CR10 Smart with innovative modular design allows a 6-step assembly process. You can finish assembling within 8 minutes. The 4.3-inch full viewing angle touchscreen and the brand new UI. You can enjoy a hassle-free leveling process and instant printing after initial auto leveling is completed. With the Creality Cloud app, you can easily slice 3D models, remote control your printers, whenever and wherever with your phone. Elegant design inspired by supercars shows off the magical combination of aesthetics and technology. Print personal objects to show your love and add a bit of fun to life. Tweak your 3D printers and enjoy DIY upgrades to the fullest. The screen will dim when it's being inactive for 30 minutes to save power. Using Creality Cloud's remote control, you are always able to control your 3D printer, even when you're not physically present. The strengthened triangle structure turns a super stable platform into reality. Forget about the darkness. The built-in LEDs allow you to monitor the progress of your prints, even if the light in the room is off. Our patented quiet 32-bit motherboard, low-noise power supply, and highly efficient cooling fans ensure a silent 3D printing experience.
This is the MP Mini Delta, the most affordable professional quality 3D printing solution to bring your ideas to life. It's already in production, so be one of the first to get the product. The MP Mini Delta is a transformative tool that allows anyone to delve into the world of 3D printing. A product that now allows you to create what you need on your own. Designed using knowledge and even parts from our successful line of 3D printers currently on the market, it includes advanced features unheard of below $500. It features a single body design that is ready to print out of the box. No assembly required. Simply load the filament, insert the included SD card, and press a button to start printing. Additionally, you can connect using Wi-Fi to send print files directly to the printer. One of the biggest hurdles for any 3D printer is maintaining a level print surface, which can lead to poor quality prints, adhesion problems, and clogs. The MP Mini Delta addresses all those with auto bed leveling for easy setup and printing. Our design uses an open filament, meaning you can use 1.75mm PLA or ABS filament from any brand. The removable heated build plate improves print quality and reliability with different filaments. And lastly, the all-metal aluminum construction increases durability and reliability while still maintaining its lightness. Whether it's printing a toy, a model, a replacement part, gadgets for your everyday life, or your own creation, this printer can do it all. You'll get professional quality prints at resolutions up to 100 microns. We're coming out with a game-changing product that will make 3D printing available for everyone.